This is the Merrill P-40 plastic valve body for the M2000 and WM2000 yard hydrants. Now, a couple things to notice about the valve body. So here in the middle, you've got this circular opening or cutout hole. This is what's called the weep hole. This allows the water that is left inside of the pipe after the hydrant is shut off to drain out, where there's no water trapped in there. And then we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions of the valve body, starting with an outer diameter here at the top. It's going to be right at about 1 3/4 inches on the outer diameter, and then inner just over 1 1/4 inches, right at 1 3/8 inches, and coming down to the hex end, outer diameter about 1 5/8 inches, and then inner diameter, we're right at 1 inch at the threads. And total length of the valve body will be right at about 3.5 inches. And once again, this is the Merrill P-40 plastic valve body for the M2000 and WM2000 yard hydrants.